think's going to do a little bit of performance climbing. Yeah, actually, we can climb in this bowl right here too. I tried to get Troy in there one time, Hanson. You started and then you realized where we were going and he backed down. That's the other thing with those heavy bastards. You go down the hills a little faster than you think. That extra 130 pounds is always picking up speed. This would be a nice little climb if you could keep going through there. Landon Fink. Get it up before it loses its oil. Hurry up before it loses its oil. There's one for you too. Oh, I'm so happy I videoed that. Second approach. Go up that steeper little spot right there. Yeah, even here.
Well, tell me where you're going so I'm going to go up that
Uh-oh, the headlight went out. I better shut her off.